Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Wakhe ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Player of the day bafowethu, Fezile Capa. What a superstar. Lo muntu lo udlala i-defender kodwa ushaye 3 goals, hhayi imhlola le. Udlala i-central laphana e-central back 4 noma ngithi ku-back 4 but aphinde adlale futhi i-right back. Usho ukuthi umdlalo versatile, uthanda futhi ukuya phambili. Ayikhona leli alishayile bafowethu, igoli elihle kakhulu, ulishaye ngathi uyi-striker. Umdlalo highly influential for i-Durban City. Ukwazile-ke ukuwina i-first 100,000 bafowethu of the season. I mean, ku-Carling Knockout ama-player highly motivated ngokuthi awine ama-100,000. You just have to give it your all when you are given a chance to play. Amagoli uwashayile umfowethu, but indlela yakhe bafowethu ayiqali nje laphana ku-Durban City, kudala ekhona ku-professional setup. Fike laphana, I think it's 2021 or 2020 before lapho bedlalela i-Orlando Pirates phela lo muntu lo i-reserve side noma ngithi laphana ku-D.C team, but-ke waya ku-All Stars laphana ku-First Division, wabuya ku-Orlando Pirates, waya ku-Venda, waya ku-Thongathi, wanyamalala kancane waphinde wabuya ku-Richards Bay njengoba manje ku-Durban City bafowethu. I mean, uyi-player eli-exciting kakhulu in terms of i-defender bafowethu, elishaya amagoli kanje. Important kakhulu ngempela for i-team yase-KZN or i-team ya-Gavin Hunt, the first team to advance overall laphana to the quarterfinals of i-Carling Knockouts. Congratulations to yena. Ama-performances anjena bafethu ayasimotivate ngempela, ukusho usibonisa ngempela ukuthi umuntu akalahlwa, ngaya ko-National First Division aloku akhuphuka agcine ngempela athola i-spotlight lesi asideserve-ayo. I think this week nje umfethu uyadeserve ukuhlala lena esicongweni and then ukuthola i-attention yawo wonke ama-media overall, cause I mean it's rare ngempela ukuthi i-defender lishaya amagoli angaka, abe important kangaka for i-team yakhe laphana umfowethu. Amagoli wakhe-ke ushaye nga-12 minutes and then elinye walishaya extra time, elinye waphinde walishaya futhi extra time. So 12 minutes, 111, 114 minutes laphana. Clearly exciting bafowethu. I mean, I will be paying close attention to him from now on. Ukuthi i-player elikwaziyo ukushaya amagoli, i-player futhi eli-strong defensively. I mean, how can you be advanced? I remember this one time buze commentate ukuthi hayibo lo muntu lo ufunani laphana phambili, cause manje akadlali lapha but-ke uyathanda ukuya phambili and then it's really paying ukuthi i-team yakhe izithole kule situation le kuyo. There was a time la bengicabanga ukuthi kore i-strike uKoapeng or ubani umfowethu loyana, but when I look close ngasho ukuthi hayibo uye uCaba lo uFezile oshayile igoli futhi. I mean he sends ama-warning a-serious kwamanye ama-team ukuthi ama-defenders ayakwazi ukukora, are given an opportunity to do so, ayakwazi ngempela ukuzi-expressa to the highest level. It's rare njengoba ngishilo bafethu, kukancane ukuthi i-defender liyithole kulama position lawa umfowethu athole kuwo, but ukwazile ukuyithatha i-opportunity ukuyisebenzisa. It didn't let the team down. Gavin Hunt is building a strong team ekwaziyo ngempela ukukhompyutha, but the most important part, into engingayimenshini ebaluleke kakhulu bafethu, ukuthi le team le iya-compete, iyawa-create ama-opportunities. We saw them play against iMamelodi Sundowns. We thought it was going to be an easy game for Mamelodi Sundowns, but guess what? This team could have easily scored 3 goals against Mamelodi Sundowns if they were not wasteful laphana up front. So bayakwazi ukwa-create ama-opportunities, bayakwazi ukuwashaya amagoli almost every match bazokora. So uGavin Hunt ubuilder something formidable ngempela, i-dynasty laphana e-KZN noma ngithi eThekwini ku-Durban City. Nabaphathi bakhona sikhumbule ukuthi bane-experience because they were also running like i-Maritzburg United, just ukuthi batshintshe igama. Abantu abalithandayo ibhola, abantu abane-vision, abantu ngempela abafuna ukwenza izinto zenzeke for laphana for umphakathi waseThekwini nama-surrounding areas overall, ukuthi kube nebhola eThekwini, at the same time kube ne-team futhi e-strong ekwaziyo ukukhompyutha at the highest level. So uCaba-ke unama-teammates wakhe a-strong laphana, amanye sinokuwabona ehleli laphana ebhentshini. I mean abafana bane-experience kakhulu ebholeni lase-South Africa bafethu. Ulokhunjani, ubani lo nodada lo ubuya ku-Cape Town Spurs, ku-Cape Town City, udlale ku-Cape City for iminyaka. Sikhumbule ukuthi uNodada uke washisa kakhulu ebholeni lase-South Africa futhi namateam amaningi, especially i-Kaizer Chiefs la bekubonakala ngathi uzoba close to join i-Kaizer Chiefs, but guess what, gcina angajoyinanga. But yeah, they've built a really strong team ekwaziyo uku-attack-a quick in transition. Even iy'trayikha zakhona laphana zi-super reactive when they get the ball inside the box, and then ziyakwazi uku-react. So I mean, they have a team ezokwazi ukukhompyutha at the level it's supposed to be. And it is cool ukubona i-team enama-limited resources ikwazi ukukhompyutha at the highest level. I mean, ama-player amanye singawabheka laphana njengoba sikhuluma nge-Durban City, because sengimbalile laphana uNodada bafowethu. Khona amanye ama-player masingathi siyabheka laphana sibone ukuthi angaba important ama-player lawo. But before simuva kuFezile bafowethu, uFezile lokhunjana Cabo uke waba khona kuBafana Bafana but not kuBafana Bafana direct, we can say kumalokhunjana bafowethu, kuma-junior ranks laphana Amajita. I think it was Amajita, yes, time emncane. Uyi-player eline-experience ku-international level, elinayo leyo pedigree leyo. So why would he not go all out in terms of like being a player is supposed to be? Siyazi ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi kuba nama-delays, but guess what, sokuyisikhathi sakhe manje sokuthi ashine, sokuthi abonakale ngempela ebholeni lase-South Africa. And guess what a way to introduce yena to the audience, to the South African football fanatics, ukuthi kune-player ngempela eli-defend elikwazi ukushaya amagoli. Home ground yabo laphana eChatsworth Stadium, yebo. Nawo ama-player akhona amanye bafethu angaba important. uDarren Kitty siyamazi, i-player eline-experience kakhulu ebholeni lase-South Africa overall, i-player esilaziyo even nakuBafana Bafana ukwadlala ubhuti laphana overseas. Una-36 years old this year, but udlalela ama-team amaningi kakhulu bafethu. Umuntu wadlalela o-Vasco da Gama, o-Wits, waya nase-Belgium, wabuya wadlalela u-Cape Moya United, and then-ke la adlale khona isikhathi eside i-Cape Town City, kodwa manje semuvele eThekwini uzo-assista uKevin Hunt. And then kune-player bafowethu uDomingo, nalo eline-experience, elidlale kuMamelodi Sundowns, elidlalele ne-North Africa kuRaja, and then elidlale Cape Town City, manje lilaphana kuDurban City, udlale nase-Portugal umfowethu. So I mean, i-player le-exciting eline-experience kakhulu ebholeni. Yeah, so kuyabonakala ngempela ukuthi they are building i-team esolid. Khona ne-international yase-Namibia laphana ekwaziyo ukuwashaya ngempela amagoli engadlali, uKaMatuka bafowethu, siyamazi ukuthi 34-year-old, but guess what, is not slowing down, uyakwazi ngempela ukuwashaya amagoli. Contribution yakhe laphana overall ku-Durban City ibaluleke kakhulu. Even laphana ku-National First Division ukwazile ngempela ukubathwala. Sikhumbule ukuthi i-Durban City bafowethu iphethe international players even from eGhana, 2 Ghanaian, u-goalkeeper waseGhana u-Asare, and then neolokhunjana ne-midfielder uVictor Baka waseGhana naye. So i-mixture nomunye waseZimbabwe, which is i-midfielder uMusaka. So ba-ede i-locally and bit of internationally, ukuthi bakwazi ngempela ukubasiza. And sikhumbule ukuthi kune-player eliku-loan from iMamelodi Sundowns bafowethu, uTerence Mashego, naye-ke u-ediwe laphana ukuthi azobasiza, abalethele i-experience yabo. Khona i-player-ke eselithe ukuqina bafowethu, ukukhula elase-South Africa, lina-36, uGamaldeen, naye-ke ulapha because of ufike bedlala laphana ku-National First Division, udlale ku-Royal AM, wadlala ku-Swallows, ku-Chippa United, wadlala ku-Cape Town All Stars, ko-Santos. So i-player ngempela elike laba khona elidlala isikhathi eside manje ku-professional setup, nako-Bloemfontein Celtic bafethu udlalile amaZulu, Ajax Cape Town. So yeah, bane-squad, bane-depth e-right ukuthi bangakhompyutha at this level. sobona ukuthi izinto zizobahambela kanjani, sibafisela inhlanhla, baqale kahle kakhulu naku-Betway Premiership. Danko bafowethu.